Pinang iba pang negosyo tulad ng karinderya ni Joel. Matumal daw ang kita kahapon nang abot pa sa bewang ang baha, kaya umaasa silang makakabawi ngayong araw.
Bago na magalaw ang bata. Guys, strike!
Lipat! 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 Lipat!
Much.
Okay. Well, yes, no? At this point naman, siyempre, lahat tayo dito, nagtitiwala pa na sana in the coming days, makita natin.
Line up very often Paul and Jersey Robinson, essentially the 4 and 5. As Okafor shows the Jets and somehow gets it off.
Kaibigan niya, ako naman sa bahay na.
It's SSS and all those things.
Yes po, kompleto po si Gemma po sa Felix po.
Okay. Kasi in the event na, alam mo, Rowan, siyempre, nandun siya sa barko. He was there supposedly to work. Okay? Beyond his control naman kasi sa...
Tigilan mo na ako, pati ang kapatid ko. Kung naaalala mo talaga yung nakaraan, dapat naaalala mo na iniiwasan kita. Diyan ka lang! Ano ba? Wala akong karapatang sabihin sa akin.
Derek Prince Ministries, proclaiming the inspired word of God around the world. Derek Prince is an internationally recognized Bible teacher and author.
Ngayon na yung kasal ni Nezahat.
Ang aga-aga, nagsisimula ka na naman dyan. Mukha ba akong flower girl sa kasal?
Hindi sila napapakampante to go for that, to get the ball. But off the bench, that was...
That means the lot can be bought at a lower price. In today's digital setting, we can also...
And these serrated teeth make contacts on 3 sides, so the harder you push, the tighter it grabs, so it automatically goes over and automatically adjusts to any size.
That is...
At Imbaga Bigat, hi, hello, and good morning pa rin. Kahit anong weather po yan, Mixed Boosters po, mga kapamilya at mga kaserbisyo.
Oh, now Bennett gets mixed up with Stetcher. Fans want a penalty, none forthcoming. Stetcher heads to the bench.
Kasi, ang sabi dito sa gabay, sabayin daw ng sayo habang binubuto. Kaya nga nagsasayo ko. Wala na ako dito.
Are trying to get as our partner, right? So a lot of no's, right? So how can we get our brand out there if a lot of our potential partners?
Yan ata ang tunay ko magulang.
Ate, anong dala mo? Lighter!
Alam ko na napakalaki ng kasalanan niya. Na napakasinungaling niyang tao.
Ito, first time ko itong titikman talaga. Let's see. So, sa nakikita ko ngayon dito, so ayan, meron siyang fresh na tuna.
Consistency, but I don't like it because it will be like a mayonnaise consistency that we are not looking for. Right? Water. Okay, you just use this water, and it will not turn into paste. Just make it a little bit more fine, and that's what we are.
Break na lang tayo.
Hindi, sige, yan ang gusto mo. Mag-iwalay na lang tayo.